So today I would like to share with you how to figure out the best time to start your garden for your ultimate success. So if you start your garden too early, the seeds don't germinate because it's cold or the plants get frozen and die. So timing is very important to getting your garden started right. So most of you will be surprised as to how early you can actually start your garden in the spring. So our general rule of thumb is you can start your cool weather plants 4 weeks before your average last frost date. So let's say your average last frost date is April 1st. This means you can start your cool weather plants like lettuce, spinach, radishes, carrots, kale, Swiss chard, onions, and peas. You can start them on March 1st. And if you live in a cold location, say your last average frost date is June 1st, then you can start your cool weather plants May 1st. So here's the fun part. If you live in a climate that doesn't freeze or go below 25 degrees in the winter, you can grow cool weather plants all winter long. Now, for your warm weather plants such as tomatoes, cucumbers, squash, and corn, you will want to wait until 2 weeks after your last average frost date. So for example, if your last average frost date is May 15th, then you can plant your warm weather plants in the garden by June 1st. But do watch the weather for a stray cold front. If one comes through, you'll need to cover your warm weather plants because the frost can kill them. If you don't know your last average frost date or your zone, you can learn about this in an article on our website. You can go to thelivingfarm.org, or you can click the link below this video and we will have that for you so you can go figure that stuff out. Now, if you'd like to learn more about when to start your garden for the ultimate success and high-performance gardening, you can go to our website, thelivingfarm.org, and there you're going to find more articles, videos, and e-courses that can help you on your way to success.